Despite the governor's announcement today, Warren moved forward with an announcement on a cold case investigation from 1983. Robert Dubois, a man from Tampa, was exonerated in 2020 after serving 37 years for that crime. Investigators now say the DNA evidence that cleared him of the rape and murder of Barbara Grahams provided new leads. 10 Tampa Bay's Shannon Clow joins us now. And Shannon, they're now looking into two other men, and Warren says these men were on a spree of rape and murder in 1983.
Well, Courtney, we learned those two men have been arrested and they are charged with murdering and raping Barbara Grahams. She was just 19 years old in 1983 when she was murdered and raped. And we're learning new information that there is now another victim in this case. We're learning Linda Lansen here in Tampa was also murdered, and these two men connected to that murder. So now we are nearly 4 decades later, and we are learning the two men's names are Amos Robinson and Abron Scott. They're the two men that investigators say are responsible for killing Barbara and Linda. And now we're also learning they're connected to other murders right here in the Tampa Bay area. We heard from Andrew Warren, who called them serial rapists and murderers.
We've now connected Amos Robinson to 4 murders in a span of 103 days in Tampa in 1983. And Abron Scott to 3 murders. These men are serial murderers and rapists. And although they're already serving a life sentence, their crimes against Barbara Grahams and Linda Lansen cannot and will not go unpunished.
And previously in the 1980s, you heard Courtney mention the name Robert Dubois. He was actually in jail for 37 years. He was convicted of murdering and raping Barbara Grahams, but then he was found to be innocent. What proved his innocence there was DNA evidence from a rape sample kit. Now that same DNA evidence is what connected these two men to not only Barbara's murder, Linda's murder, now other murders right here in the Tampa Bay area. We did hear from Linda's family today. They say that this news, hearing these two men are now going to be serving life sentences in prison, it gives them a new beginning. I'm live in Tampa. Shannon Clow, 10 Tampa Bay.
And Shannon, Warren was asked about why it took so long for this DNA evidence to link these two men, and he said it's for the cosmos. There are a lot of new details coming out of that case, the governor's suspension of Andrew Warren. It is a good time right now to download your 10 Tampa Bay app. We're going to be pushing out a lot of information to you as we get it.